उपराष्ट्रपति एम वेंकैया नायडू ने इस बात पर जोर दिया है कि भारत के अंदरूनी मामलों में बाहरी हस्तक्षेप की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है। TRGN एनिग्मा पुस्तक विमोचन के मौके पर उन्होंने भारतीय संविधान और सरकार के अधिकार क्षेत्र में आने वाले मुद्दों पर विदेशी हस्तक्षेप के रुझान के प्रति चिंता जताते हुए कहा कि इस तरह के प्रयास पूरी तरह से नाजायज है और अवांछनीय है। उन्होंने कहा कि एक परिपक्व गणतंत्र और लोकतांत्रिक राज्य व्यवस्था के रूप में भारत अपनी जनता की चिंताओं को दूर करने में सक्षम है।
Are being made outside India to comment on some laws made by Parliament and to raise some issues based on inadequate knowledge and insufficient understanding of the issues sought to be addressed by our lawmakers. Such efforts are totally uncalled for, unwarranted. Let me make it very clear. As the Vice President and also Chairman of the Upper House of India, Parliament, these comments are totally uncalled for and unwarranted. As a mature republic and democratic polity, we are capable of addressing the concerns if any of our citizens, and we need no advice or guidance in such matters from others. As a republic of 70 years of experience, we have withstood so many challenges and overcame several challenges. We are now more united than ever before, and no one should have any concern in this regard. As a nation, we are committed to the cardinal principles of ensuring justice, liberty, and equality for all of our citizens. This is a great country, even of partition on the basis of religion. We follow Sarva Dharma Samabhavana, appeasement of none and justice for all. Minorities could become president 3 times. There is an unfortunate trend of foreign bodies to interfere in the matters that are completely within the purview of India, Parliament and the Indian government. I hope they will recognize that this is unwarranted and unwelcome. I hope that they will refrain from making such statements.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए न्यूज इन इंडिया को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए न्यूज से जुड़ी लेटेस्ट वीडियोज सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।